Today's video about changing the air quality sensor on my Škoda Kodiaq. I bought a aftermarket part produced by Hella, which is quite a nice producer of different electrical and other various parts for the car. So the air sensor looks quite small, but costs rather much. This particular sensor was around 70 euros, I think. It's made in Germany, as you can see. Very good, yeah. So yeah, let's going to change that. First things first, we need to open the hood. Now the air quality sensor should be located here if your vehicle is left-hand drive, and on the other side if it's right-hand drive, as far as I understand. I hope I'm right. Let's see. So yeah, removing this black plastic panel above here is quite tricky, I would say. I'm not sure how it should be taken off, but I see that I can actually access the sensor right here without any hassle. So I will not be removing this part. I'll just change the sensor by getting it from here. I guess it's easier. And while I'm at it, I can see that it's quite dirty underneath here. A lot of different leaves and other stuff, so I will take the chance and clean it with a vacuum. Now to get off the old sensor, you have to unclip a holding mechanism which is holding the sensor from here, and it should be accessed underneath. Yeah, disconnecting the sensor this way is much harder than I thought, because you don't have any access actually to get there, but I managed to get it off. Now we need to remove the wire terminal. I figured that instead of holding the plastic this part up with my hand, I'd rather use some wood, not to suffer any consequences. Yeah, that's funny. The trick to remove the wiring harness is actually to put a flathead screwdriver here inside the terminal, between the clip and the body, and then you can just basically slightly pull it off, and that's it. And now I can provide you a better look of the mounting point of the sensor. You can see here that it has like a clip which we need to raise in order to get it free. So basically what we need to do is put a flathead screwdriver between the bottom section and the clip and push it up a bit, and then it should release the sensor, so you can pull it back basically. Okay, now let's compare the old one to the new one, and I hope that both are the same. Let's see. On first look, it looks okay. Yeah, we should be good to go, I guess. Well, let's try. Sensor is in place, and let's hope that we won't get any error codes anymore. So let's put the car back together and see. And in case you wondered what was the tool which I used to hold the plastic trim, it was the most unique and the desired factory tool directly from the nearest construction store. So it's just a piece of wood. Job well done. Yoo-hoo!
You got it.